world's most beautiful waterfalls. Welcome to the breathtaking world of nature's wonders. Today, we embark on a journey to discover the 5 most beautiful waterfalls around the globe. Niagara Falls. Straddling the border of Canada and the United States, it captivates with its sheer volume and majestic power, a true icon of nature's force. Iguazu Falls. A mesmerizing system of 275 falls, surrounded by the lush greenery of the Argentinian and Brazilian rainforests. Victoria Falls. The largest curtain of falling water showcases the Zambezi River's majestic beauty on the border of Zimbabwe and Zambia. Kaieteur Falls. Deep in the heart of the Amazon rainforest lies Kaieteur Falls, one of the world's tallest single-drop waterfalls, a testament to nature's grandeur. Gull Foss. The Golden Falls of Iceland boasts a powerful two-tiered cascade surrounded by the country's stunning landscapes. Join us in celebrating the awe-inspiring beauty of these 5 most beautiful waterfalls, a testament to the wonders our planet holds. Nature's masterpiece awaits. Go out and explore. Good vibes only.